Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're going to take a look at our forged aluminum upper control arms. Now right off the bat we can see as far as looks go, they completely outperform the stock units. But looks can only get you so far. Let's go over some of the key features and compare those to the stock units. First up, it is a solid forged aluminum one-piece design that is going to be lighter and stronger than anything that the factory offers. Not only that, being a one-piece design, it does not have welding points that are cause for failure either by bending or breaking. Next up, ball joint. Now we have a completely serviceable ball joint. That means that you can replace it if you need to, but more than likely you won't need to because this is a greasable unit, but not only that, it is heavy duty. The ball in the ball joint is oversized and has a palm race to lower the friction coefficient. That means maximum performance with minimum wear. We've also corrected the ball joint angle particular for your amount of lift. Not only is it going to reduce stress on the ball joint, but also any factory component that it's attached to. Each arm is also equipped with factory style rubber bushings that is going to ensure the best ride possible on and off road. Now you can buy these as a standalone unit or upgrade most of our lift kits with them. And speaking of upgrades, while they come with our standard ball joint cover and it looks great, or you can upgrade to our billet cover. We offer them in the natural finish as well as the red powder coat. Now just to drive home how heavy duty these arms are in compared to a factory unit, and it's something that you definitely want whether you're off-road or on. I've cut some cross sections out of a factory as well as a Rough Country forged control arm, and I'd say I'd like to do a comparison, but really there is no comparison. This wins hands down. So if you're ready to upgrade your upper control arms to get the best performance and durability, check out Rough Country's forged aluminum upper control arms. Get yours today at roughcountry.com.